In this video, we'll introduce you to Titan Genie's Form Assist. Titan Genie is the best way to save time while building your forms and other Titan interfaces. Let's get started. I want to design a form with two columns that either creates, reads, updates, or upserts a record in Salesforce. Let's choose Create. Now, we choose our object. This can be any object in my Salesforce, including custom objects. When I click Lead, the form automatically inherits all the mandatory fields coming from my Salesforce object. Let's add another field. I simply search my Salesforce fields and double-click the one that I'm interested in adding. We can also add things like file uploads and signatures. Now that I've added all of my fields to my form, I can add it to my page to see how it looks. Here's a quick summary of all the time I saved building this form using Titan Genie. Now that I've got my form and it's got all the fields I need, I can add to it, I can design it, and I can really do a lot more using Titan. Stay tuned for more videos on Titan Genie.